Hey bookkeepers, it's Trudy from Maven. Nowadays we all want one thing, same thing, all of us, to just stay home, to do our work from our personal space and to never have to venture out and to never have to actually confer and converse and relate with other people. So today we're going to unpack 3 sets of buzzwords that get tossed around like they mean totally different things. Remote, virtual, and work from home. People love to split hairs about these, but let me give you my take. They're way more alike than they are different. And no matter what label you slap on it, one truth remains. In-person networking is still the fastest way to credibility. And without credibility, you simply won't have clients. Even if you have over-the-top bookkeeping skills, and even if your systems are ironclad, you cannot attract any clients, let alone the best high-ticket clients you're after, without elevated credibility. Okay, let's address remote first. Remote simply means that you and your client aren't in the same place. You could be down the street or across the country. If you're not sitting in their office, you are remote, period. And you can absolutely perform all of your duties remotely, even for clients that are right next door. Every single task. But clients get an extra little added layer of comfort there, knowing you're nearby. Trust me, they're going to like that. Virtual. Well, virtual is the same thing, a little more dressed up, little fancier outfit here. It's remote work with a bigger word, but it's usually with an emphasis on cloud tools, video calls, and digital delivery. So if your service lives on Zoom, email, and shared drives, then congratulations, you're virtual. And again, it doesn't matter if your client is across town or across the nation or even in another country. Your systems are set up for digital delivery. And finally, work from home. The creme de la creme, what we all are searching for, work from home. Well, that's just the location from which you're doing your remote or virtual work. You might have a laptop on the couch or a full office in your basement. I highly recommend for this that you have a lot of space for spreading things out, but you're going to figure that out. No matter how you do it, you're still working remotely, also known as virtually, all the same thing. So let's not confuse where you sit with who you serve. The common thread here is whether you call yourself remote, virtual, or work from home, none of the 3 will magically bring clients to your door. I've mentored plenty of bookkeepers, and the pattern is crystal clear. Credibility is built locally first. You may deliver the service online, but you will land your first strong clients in-person networking faster. So Chamber of Commerce, BNI, small business events. Why? Because people still want to look you in the eye before they hand you their books. It's just that simple. So here's our Maven perspective. Remote, virtual, work from home, they're mostly interchangeable. But the label isn't what matters anyway. What matters is how you connect, build trust, and prove your credibility. And statistics prove that it's easier and subsequently faster to build the credibility face-to-face. Up next, fear of inconvenience. Oh, this one is just chock-block full of truth bombs. I'll see you there.